What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be having my 2-week update on Miss Outre Shawni. So yeah, if you guys are interested in my thoughts and experiences on this wig, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl for more wig reviews, wig updates, makeup videos, all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get started. So guys, it has officially been a little over 2 weeks now that I've been wearing this wig. Now this is what the wig looks like, just popped on my head, not doing absolutely anything to it. So typically in the morning, all I would do is just grab a spray bottle and I would just slightly spray the hair and kind of give it like that wet and wavy look all over again. And then basically I would just finger comb the wig. You do get a couple snags and tangles here and there, but again, I've been wearing this wig for 2 weeks, so it's definitely to be expected. But yeah, so as you can see, this is the side that I just did, and then this side is still fresh and basically air dried. So yeah, so honestly, this wig really didn't change much at all. I do feel like the wet and wavy curl pattern did drop just a little bit, which is okay because again, it's a synthetic unit, it's not gonna last forever, and it still does look really nice. I am planning on straightening this hair and cutting it shorter into like a really nice bob, so I'm really excited to see how that's gonna turn out. Now when it comes to the shedding on this hair, I would say it's not absolutely minimum, but it's not crazy. Like I swear guys, for some of you guys that have watched some of my other videos, and if you have not, definitely do check those out. But I've had wigs that have had some shedding, and this wig by far is probably the best wig I've reviewed on my channel when it does come to shedding. So shedding on this wig isn't bad whatsoever. You do get a couple tangles here and there, especially like towards the bottom. But again, all you have to do is get like a wide tooth comb or like a paddle brush to kind of brush through like all the little, like, not want to say naps, so this hair didn't mat up or nothing, but just to comb out the little tangles and whatnot. So again, super easy to manage. Honestly, I am so in love with this wig. Like, I'm definitely buying this wig again. One of my best friends even told me that she was about to buy this wig herself because it looks so nice. Again, I wear this hair every single day. I work a full-time job, so this hair is on my head for a minimum of, I would say, 9 hours a day between me getting ready for work and me actually being at work before I go to the gym. So yeah, this hair, I definitely give it, like, the overall experience, I give it like a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason why I'm not giving it a perfect 10 is because, like, I would feel like if I wanted to keep like that wet and wavy look, I would maybe like halfway throughout the day have to like spray it down with water a little bit quick in the bathroom. But other than that, this wig is really good. The texture held up really nice. Again, no crazy shedding, tangling. There's no matting or anything like that. And surprisingly, there's really no matting on the nape of the neck. Like, it's tangled, of course, because it's your neck, but it's not matted. And that to me, especially the past couple units that I have been reviewing on my channel, that to me is amazing. Again, for me wearing this hair every single day, I even slept in this hair once by accident. Like, y'all know when you're super tired and like you lay down and you're gonna take like a quick like 5-minute nap, and then you wake up at like 3 something in the morning, you don't even know what time it is. That happened to me even wearing this wig, and this wig still looks really good. So all in all, I would definitely say to go out and buy it. This video is gonna be pretty short just because, I mean, again, it's a bob unit. There's really not much to say. The curl pattern loosened just a little bit, but again, it still looks really pretty. It still has that really pretty wet and wavy type of look to it. The shedding is minimum. Tangling, I would say, is maybe like minimum to normal, but again, all you have to do is just brush it out a little bit and you should be good, because again, this is literally me just plopping it on. But yeah, so definitely recommend for you guys to get her. I mean, she was only $14-15. Like, you absolutely cannot beat that whatsoever. You do get a very nice amount of parting space. Now, like I mentioned in my initial review, I didn't customize the parting space whatsoever. The only thing I did was put on some mineral press powder on the part, but I didn't really have to pluck anything per se, and it already looks really good. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this little quick 2-week update. Again, I'm planning on cutting and styling Miss Shawni into a cute, straight, sleek bob. So I'm debating on whether or not I'm gonna make a video about that. We'll definitely see. But yeah, so if you guys like what I had to say on this update, or kind of like reassured you guys that this is a bomb wig, because definitely this is probably like one of my top 3 wigs of this year so far. But yeah, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below once again, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.